Buenos dias, little amigos. Let's take a look at multiplying fractions by a whole number. So our problem here is 3/4, which is drawn right here, times 2. Now, what would 2 look like if we drew it as a fraction? Think about that. Well, hang on, everybody slow down. We have 2 whole circles, and they are 2 pies, and they're just one big piece, right? So 2 is the same as 2 over 1 because how many pieces are they cut into? Well, they're not cut, so they're just one big piece, and there's 2 whole pies. Now I multiply that by 3/4. Now, like we said, you just go straight across. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. Now, do you notice anything about this? 6 over 4? These both have a similar, no, excuse me, these both have at least one factor that's the same, and besides 1, and that would be 2. So if I divided 6 by 2, 6 into 2 parts, that would be what? And remember, whatever I do to the numerator, I also have to do the denominator. So I'm going to divide it by 2, and I would get 3 over 2, which also equals 1.5. And we're going to talk more about changing mixed numbers into improper fractions tomorrow. So we're going to talk about how to multiply like 6/4 or 1.5 times something.